Hello everyone, I'm Tom Prince, Head of the Commercial Contracts team here at CG. Welcome to this brief overview of the new regulations on connected products in the UK. Today we're diving into the key points of the Product Security and Telecommunications Infrastructure, or PTSI regime, which sets out essential cybersecurity requirements for manufacturers, distributors and importers of consumer connectable products. So, what's the PTSI regime all about? It's built on the foundation of the Product Security and Telecommunications Infrastructure Act 2022 and the accompanying 2023 regulations, which officially came into force on the 29th of April 2024. The main goal here is to ensure that consumer products like smart fridges, baby monitors and routers are secure from cyber threats, with the government estimating that there could be up to 50 billion connectable products in the UK by 2030. This regulation is a significant step towards securing the future of the Internet of Things. Initially, the UK addressed IoT security through a 2018 Code of Practice developed with industry input. However, recognising the need for more robust measures, the government enacted the PTSI regime to ensure that manufacturers, distributors and importers all contribute to a secure ecosystem. The scope of the PTSI regime is quite broad. It covers new internet connectable and network connectable products, including reconditioned ones, but excludes used items. This ensures that even refurbished products meet the necessary security standards. The regime's comprehensive coverage aims to protect consumers across a wide range of devices, ensuring a safe digital environment. So, let's break down the core requirements under the PTSI regime, starting with obligations on device manufacturers. The critical obligations include ensuring that products meet specific minimum cybersecurity requirements, so meaning that implementing robust security measures will protect against common vulnerabilities and threats. Secondly, it's important to have a system in place for reporting security issues, which allow anyone to notify manufacturers of potential vulnerabilities and so ensure that issues can be dealt with promptly and effectively. Thirdly, manufacturers will be required to publish a minimum support period, specifying until which date they'll provide security updates for their products. This transparency can help consumers know how long they can expect their devices to remain secure. Fourthly, informing the public on how to report security issues related to their products, enabling clear and quick communication channels to facilitate quicker resolution of security problems and incidents. Next, providing details on the minimum security update period. This must outline how long after a product's discontinuation a company will offer security updates for its products. Next, let's talk about the responsibilities of importers and distributors of in-scope products. Their key duties include ensuring that each product comes with a statement confirming compliance with the security requirements. This statement serves as a guarantee that the product meets the minimum necessary standards. Secondly, requirements to investigate compliance failures and look into any potentially non-compliant issues. If a product is suspected of failing to meet the requirements, importers and distributors must investigate and take appropriate action. Thirdly, distributors and importers must not supply products if they know or suspect that they don't or won't meet the required standards. This should help prevent insecure products from reaching consumers. They're also required to keep appropriate records. Importers in particular need to retain these statements of compliance for a specified period, keeping a traceable record of their product's conformity. This documentation is crucial for accountability and traceability. Now, what happens if you get it wrong? Well, enforcement is handled by the Office of Product Safety and Standards. They have the authority to impose significant penalties for non-compliance, which can be as high as £10 million or 4% of the company's worldwide revenue, whichever is the greater. Plus, there's an additional daily penalty of up to £20,000 for ongoing breaches. These stringent penalties underscore the importance of compliance and the government's commitment to cybersecurity. In comparison, the EU is working on its own set of rules under the pending Cyber Resilience Act, which will impose stricter requirements like security by design and active vulnerability management. The CRA aims to enhance the security of products with digital elements, requiring rigorous conformity assessments and providing a centralised platform for vulnerability reporting. The PTSI and CRA together reflect a global trend towards stronger cybersecurity requirements. In conclusion, the PTSI regime will place responsibilities on business to ensure that insecure products don't enter the markets. By adhering to these regulations, companies will help to protect consumers and contribute to the overall security of our increasingly connected world. If you'd like any more information in connection with this, please get in touch with one of the team.